Hey guys, it's me, Dave. I am going to go over my watch list for the week. Here's an overview of it. My laptop's being a little slow right now, I'm sorry. I have it ordered in position in 20-day range. So up top were longs that I'm looking for if the market wanted to bounce. Down low is shorts that I am looking for, okay? So let's get to it. Let's go longs first. ABV. If we look at the daily here, it's nice consolidating on the 5 minute right now. So this is breaking out to its highs. Looking pretty strong. Short floats, nothing crazy. MCK, another long look that I'm looking at. A nice breakout, and it's pushed. So breakout, retest, and it's now pushing away. That was pretty strong, up 3% on the day. 80%, 88% held by institution. Nothing crazy in the short float. Stock composite level is pretty nice. TGTX, I liked the weekly breakout on this. I haven't taken any action on longs right now. I don't have confidence in longs. I'm just not gonna do it. So there's a breakout on the weekly for TGTX. Looking decent. DG, Dollar General, this kind of looks like a reversal play. However, it does need to break this 85-ish level. So once this is going to stay on my radar for a little bit. Once it breaks that, it looks like it might want to turn around, and then maybe we have a date with 95-ish, maybe 90 by the time 200 SMA comes down there. I don't know, but just watching that. GILD, Gilead Science, this has just been a ripper. Been trending up the 5 SMA there. Beautiful. It's breaking out. I was watching for a breakout of last week's consolidation, and we are getting follow through. It's up 1.3% today, while the rest of the market's down like 2.5%. McDonald's, this is a nice breakout here. We'll see if it accepts. It's got a decent topping tail on it today. We'll see how it closes, if it's going to accept or if it's going to fail. Checkpoint Software inside day today so far. We'll see what it wants to do. I think this could be a decent potential buy today. You know what? I'm gonna paper trade this sucker. Let's just do 5,000 at market. Let's try that out. That's a paper trade. We'll see what happens with the stop at low. Everything is trending upwards though. I kind of like that. I'll have to see how today closes with that, especially CHKP, especially if the market wants to kind of bounce into the close here. I don't know. CVS, watching for a breakout of this level here. This, call it 67, 68 level. DX, this broke out, so topping tail today. I was looking for a continuation on it. We'll see if it actually does so or not. ABT, pull back to the 20 EMA. Now it's moving up higher above the 10. This is kind of close to a retest of this little consolidation area. Time correction to the 10 EMA after a nice run up. It's just continuing on. I'm not in it. I'm not in any of these names, by the way. IBM, look below and fail of this 247 level. I was saying, hey, if this breaks, it could gap fill all the way down to 230. Obviously I was wrong. Look below, had no supply, and opposite end range is target 265. Hit it today. Now it's taking some profits there, so maybe it just bing bongs back and forth. INVX looking interesting. Breakout, pulling back, retest, has an inside day today. I'd be curious on it if it wants to break above that 1873-ish level. So high of Friday and high of today. I'd be interested. eBay, got some selling today. This still has supply here at this 7150 to 7050-ish level. Root, this is kind of flagging. It's still holding. It's still trending upwards. I don't know. It's down 7% today, so it's getting smacked. Deere & Company, this has been another strong one. Nice big move. I'm not shocked that we're getting some supply in today. It's been up 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row, from 447 to 490, 500. So close to 10% in 5 days. So it needs a little bit of rest. It's healthy. It still looks good to me. WGS, this is looking like if it wants to break these, this might test the 50. It was a nice look. So this is a look above and fail breakout, opposite end range, tagged end range, opposite end, failed to break down, failed to break higher. Now it broke lower, failed to move lower, opposite end range target, had earnings, strong move, right? So this is just chopping around. However, earnings, it's not really holding that gap up. So far it is kind of. But if this, 87 loses it, it could gap fill all the way down to 777. Or it could just do what IBM did, is look below that and bounce up. It just, I don't know, just potentials. TWO coming to an interesting spot here. This could be a decent support play, but all the short-term MAs are pointing down. I don't go long when they're pointing downwards. Dash at an interesting level here. It kind of failed to hold that breakout level. However, there's a bunch of bottom tails in this kind of demand zone here. I would say, as long as it is holding and accepting above this 168 to 164 range, it's looking decent. Maybe just needs to consolidate a little bit more. AXON, this might be breaking lower. I would be interested in a short if that wants to break down below these lows. It's a topping tail today, giving back Friday's gain, rejecting at the 5 SMA. I kind of like AXON as a potential short here. Long, short. So I'll be looking for that. HCAT, I missed this one. This was a nice little wedge break here. I was watching this and I missed the breakdown. Oh well, is what it is. Maybe watch that bottoming tail low. TERN. So we're getting to my short looks here. This is a, I was looking for a rejection. You can see that it rejected at the 10, 10, 10 to 10, bounced to 20, rejected, respecting the 10. So it tagged the 10 basically all last week. Was that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Again today, rejected, topping tail. It looks like it wants to continue lower. It is it's only 340, so it's not the most expensive stock there. Let me see my percentage here, 23%. DBI, another short look. So it's got a lot of supply overhead here. Little bounce, couldn't even get back to that. Rejected at the 10 EMA, and now it's moving back downwards. Another shorter or cheaper stock. Zoom kind of looks like a bear flag here. Rejecting at the 10 EMA, moving down lower, down 3%. It's at the 200 SMA, so I'm not going to go short in that. I could find support there. SHLS, Shoals Technology, another cheaper stock. Looking for a break of the lows. A10. Oh, I was actually looking for a long here. Wait a minute, what just happened? Oh, everything reloaded, son of a gun. MSTR, another look that I was looking for short. Looks like I missed it though. Maybe a break of 230. This would probably have a lot of room to run if it breaks down. So I'm not in any rush to get into that. It's already down 16% today. I'm not shorting in that hole. Good luck if you do. A10, I kind of like that. This was a breakout and retest play. It has some decent financials, quarterly growth, right? So this is like a longer term look. We'll see if that holds there. SMR, I'm pretty sure that was another short look here. Yeah, this is wedging down, topping tails, taking back Friday's move. So I would look for a break of 1430 for a potential short down. It's down, 5%, accepting below the 200 SMA, SMR short. Next, we got Matic, PBM. It broke those lows, kind of came back. That looks like a look below and fail. TDOC, looking for acceptance below this bottoming tail here. It was rejected today at the 10 EMA. So now it's near its lows of the day. It's kind of looking like a decent short if it wants to close near its lows. Sound, I was looking for, it's already down 15%, but I was looking for a break of this. It's at the 200 SMA. It's at an interesting level. I don't like it anymore. It could fair well just completely break down, but I'm not super confident on that. 344.44. Here we go. This consolidation here is now broken. Relative volume is 1.5, decent. Crappy stock composite, which is nice. Breaking low, lower trend. And if we want to take a look here, there's this potential support level, which is 35. That is now broken. Next could be 32. FLR looks like a potential decent short still. Yeah, I made this over the weekend. So now that, things are actually moving today, we'll see how things are played out. Coin, I was looking for a break of this low. I missed it. PLTR, breaking that low. Yikes. That looks like a decent short. However, that'd be short term. I could see this coming down to 70 next. We'll see. And if that fails, maybe 60, 65. Who knows? TWLO, I was looking for a break of this low. Missed it. Down 7%. It was really what I was looking at also is that consolidation area. That right there, where it also found support. It was also like a breakout little retest of this level. And now it's closing, moving toward this low. So it's a little extended for the short term. I would have liked to shorted, up here when it's breaking that consolidation. It's too low now. So bounces are shortable in my opinion on that one. Otherwise, too far gone. Affirm, I was looking for a break of lows. This is too far gone too, but it is, again, I think bounces are shortable. Tesla, I was looking for a bounce, up, and I failed today. Already went through that, and this just continues to go. 200 might be incoming, sadly. GEO, I was looking for a short here. Nice. So I was looking for a short up here, and it's just kind of rounding top now. And moving near its low. So nice 7% loss today, which is not good if you're long, but if you're short, congratulations. And then Phantom Pharmaceuticals. There was another one. It was AEHR. They had nice rounding. That's not what I recall. Was it the 30-minute I was looking at? They had a nice rounding top somewhere. Yeah, it was this that I was looking at. AHR. Let me look at the daily. So those are the names I was looking at this week. Checkpoint. I liked AEHR because if we zoom out, this right there, that level was broken. That's a lot of supply overhead. The move, this already moved down pretty decently. I'm gonna say I missed this one. But what I would look at for a long CHKP, that was checkpoint. And then, again, I'm short biased here. Yeah, I made $6 so far on my paper trade. Yay. I look for an inside day and a breakout of this for continuation. Hell, I might even buy it long. Who knows? AXON, SMR, TDC, FLR, and PLTR. I am looking to potentially short. And then SMTC, I also like that. I just did a trade review on how I basically mismanaged that trade. However, it's looking like it might want to go down again. It's got a kind of rounding here. Let me take off the pre-market here. So it's kind of rounding, falling down. I do have a few things marked. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. SMTC. So I've been kind of looking at this. It's accepting below these lows here. So if it wants to move lower, now might be the time. I don't know what this was. Big engulfing, bearish engulfing on the 5-minute, big volume. So I put an anchor VWAP on there, and you can see it is now being rejected here. And so I just might take a trade on this, although I don't like how extended to the downside short term it is on the 65. However, you can see that this thing is going down. Also, why I took it in the first place was this right here. It broke that, rejected at that anchor VWAP as well. So I might actually take a short on SMTC as well. It really just depends on how the day is going to close out. And that is that. So you know what? I'm going to mark my today PLTR coin, Rocket Lab. This is getting smacked as well. However, I'm looking at that low there. Mara, all these, that looks kind of like a bear flag. That I think these crypto names are they might be shortable on bounces. You know, just short term, they're getting smoked, and I would look for a bounce. So today, I'm not really interested in that. I'm going to go back and say CHKP, add that to today's list. Then we have AXON, then we have SMR, then we have TDC. Pretty sure that's what that was. I can't even read my own handwriting. FLR, PLTR, SMTC. There you go. All right, so those are what I'm going to be watching into close. And yeah, that's that. That's what I'm watching this week. We'll see how everything turns out. Stay safe, manage your risk. Thanks for your time. Hopefully this is helpful. Questions, comments, concerns, feedback. I'm always open to it. I do this because I enjoy it and I want to learn. And I like helping people. Cool. That's my long-term goal anyways. Stay safe, manage your risk. Later.